I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 42 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a bit of pink, and I've got this baby. It's got pink roses and pink cheeks. Some money. I've got this old penny I found on the ground. Something you see in the sky. I've got a bird. Something from the post office. I've got this envelope, and I've got a stamp. Something in the library. I've got the book. I believe this is a magazine because it says a monthly journal, but you find magazines in there, you find books, and we've got a bonus lines, and this is also found in the library, and that's a newspaper. And newspaper has lines, and I've also got washi tape that's got lines. So we'll get started. I hope everybody's doing great. Most of these came from my antiquarian sticker book. Trying to use up more of those. I've kind of got a divide here, so I kind of wanted to keep everything kind of small. I'm not sure how I'm going to lay it out. This will probably be a very simple one. So we'll just see what we get. There we go. I have not been feeling great, so I haven't had a lot of videos out lately, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I haven't watched a lot of videos. I just haven't felt great, but hopefully I'm feeling better now. Okay, I think I'm just going to keep this as sweet and simple as I can, and go with it. All right. We're almost through the 4th season of Haven. That's what we're watching, still watching. And it is very addictive. I've enjoyed this series a lot. I love it when you hit a new series that's fun. And put my bird there. But it can be very creepy. But it also has a little romance. We can all have a little romance in our life. And it's got very likable characters. And some that are doozies. Alrighty. I think I'm going to use Fabri-Tac for the penny. I'm not sure if I want it there or not. I may just go with it here. If I can get I'm almost at the end of my Fabri-Tac. I've got another bottle, but I want to use this up. It is getting harder and harder to get out. All right. Okay. Get this down. I'm still reading a Barbara Michaels book. That was the last book I mentioned, and I haven't read too terribly much, but I haven't even gotten the first 100 pages read yet, but it's good. I know it'll pick up. All right, now I'm just going to add some washi tape around just to decorate. And this one's, like I said, it's just going to be simple. I like to have a theme or something, but I really couldn't figure anything too much out this week. Like I said, right to this week I'm just trying to get something done. And I think we all have weeks like that. goes from maybe up here. So that's the main thing, is trying to get something done. Trying not to, I haven't missed one. I don't want to start now. We're almost at the end of the year. It's hard to believe we're already, I mean, there's only 10 more weeks left in the year. When you think of it that way, it's kind of scary. So that means it's only 9 weeks to Christmas. All right. And as fast as these weeks go by, I'll be here before you know it. Okay. I'll grab my do my splatters. And I think we'll call that done. I know this is short and sweet. All right. I added in some washi tape there. And let's see. We've got something with a bit of pink. We've got this baby's cheeks and the flowers. Money. I've got my penny. Something you see in the sky. We've got a bird. Something from the post office. We got a stamp and a letter. And something found in the library. We've got this, either it's a book or a magazine. There's books here. And also lines. We've got the washi, the newspaper, which is also found in the library. But the newspaper has lines. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP42. I know this one was short, but at least I've got something. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.